Hi, in this video, we're going to be going over how to become a remote online notary in the state of Iowa. At BlueNotary, we've got a simple step-by-step guide that's going to walk you through the process of how to do this, and it's available as a link in the description of this video below. And if you click that link, then it's going to bring you to this page here, where you can scroll down just a bit and see the simple step-by-step guide. So let's go through this together just to make sure that there's not any confusion. Step number one is you need to have an existing commission as a traditional notary public. So in other words, you need to already be a notary public in the state of Iowa. Pretty simple. Step number two is you need to sign up with a state-approved remote online notary provider. Our recommendation for this is to sign up for BlueNotary.us, the best online notarization platform for notaries and businesses. Step number three is you need to complete a state-required RON training course approved by the Secretary of State as required by Iowa Administration Code Section 721-43.53B. If you click this link here, it's going to show you where to go. Step number four is you need to complete a remote notarization application form online. You can click this link. It's going to bring you right here, and it's going to be a pretty simple form to fill out. Your commission number, name, email, phone number, that fun stuff. You're going to need to select your remote online notary service provider. So if you selected BlueNotary, you would just select BlueNotary there, finish filling this out, and click Submit. Once that form is submitted, you're going to wait for your approval from the Secretary of State, and as soon as you have the approval from the Iowa Secretary of State, you're able to begin performing remote online notarizations. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please follow along, like, and subscribe. We've got plenty more useful information for you on online notarization.
Are you interested in getting a feel for what an online notarization session would feel like before going through the approval process? You can open up a free account at app.bluenotary.us/business/register. We've left a link in the description on how you can make a free account and left you with a video tutorial of every feature on the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out through the customer support chat in the bottom right-hand corner, and we'll do our best to get you pointed in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your notary journey.